Right now, SDG&E is offering huge rebates to help homeowners get a new air conditioning unit. To help us learn more about tapping into these funds is Bob Briley, Comfort Advisor at We Care Plumbing, Heating, Air, and Solar. Hey, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So I was surprised to hear that the power company is offering to help people upgrade their AC system.
Yes, people think of SDG&E as just selling energy, but they also care about efficiency. So when all the old systems get kicked on, the efficiency of the grid starts dropping down and you get rolling blackouts. So now if you go ahead and put a new efficiency system in, SDG&E will also help you pay for it, and also your power bill will also drop.
Okay, so that's what you want to see, the power bill drop. Mine is huge every month.
Definitely.
So definitely good advice. And they're making it easier for homeowners to get these new systems, and the systems themselves then will save homeowners money?
Yes. The older systems used to be single stage systems. It'd be like sitting at a red light. Light turns green, you floor it in your car, and off you go. It's just one speed. Then they came out with two-stage systems, which is actually they go first gear and like second gear. And now they have 66 separate stages in air conditioning. So it's just like your system is just going to cruise along and save energy as it's working.
That sounds really good. So efficiency is everything then.
Efficiency is huge.
Okay, are there other rebates then available?
Yes, all manufacturers have their manufacturer rebate, and they can range anywhere between $300 and $1,500.
Okay, and then can you combine them?
Yes, you can. You can do your regular manufacturer rebates, and you can do the SDG&E rebate also.
Okay, so
and by the way, also on that rebate, it ranges from $750 to $1,250. It all depends on what your efficiency level is.
Okay, so a lot of good information. How hard is it to qualify then for these rebates? And does We Care, do you help them along?
Yeah, we make it really simple for the homeowner. All they have to do is purchase the system, relax, and enjoy the air. We're going to do all the paperwork, all the testing, and submit everything so you get your rebate back.
Okay, and it's hard to believe that SDG&E is doing this.
Right.
Just helping people along, and more efficiency is really good. You're available then to talk to people.
I'm actually available at any time, except on my personal phone number, because
my
wife wouldn't like that.
Give it up. What's the cell phone?
They can call the office at any time and get a hold of me, and I can answer any questions they have.
Okay, very good. So be sure to call We Care today to learn more about this. And Bob, hey, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Really appreciate it. Call We Care today to learn more about these rebates or for any air conditioning or plumbing needs. You can reach them at 619-333-8646 or approvedhomepros.com/WeCare.